Python Basic Programs. Here are some basic programs in Python to get you started. 1. Addition of two numbers. Num1 equals float. Input, enter first number. Num2 equals float. Input, enter second number. Sum equals num1 plus num2. Print, the sum of 0 and 1 is 2. Format, num1, num2, sum. 2. Print the square of a number in Python. Number equals int. Input, enter a number. Square equals number asterisk number. Print, the square of number is square. 3. Program in Python to swap two numbers. Hash taking input from the user. Num1 equals int. Input, enter first number. Num2 equals int. Input, enter second number. Hash swapping the numbers. Num1, num2 equals num2, num1. Hash printing the swapped numbers. Print, the swapped numbers are num1 equals num1 and num2 equals num2. 4. Program in Python to calculate simple interest. Hash taking input from the user. Principal equals float. Input, enter the principal amount. Rate equals float. Input, enter the rate of interest. Time equals float. Input, enter the time period, in years. Hash calculating simple interest. Interest equals principal asterisk rate asterisk time, 100. Hash printing the calculated interest. Print, the simple interest is interest. 5. Program in Python to find the square root of a number. Import math. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals float. Input, enter a number. Hash calculating the square root. Square underscore root equals math. SQRT, number. Hash printing the calculated square root. Print, the square root of number is square underscore root. 6. Program in Python to find the area of a circle. Import math. Hash taking input from the user. Radius equals float. Input, enter the radius of the circle. Hash calculating the area of the circle. Area equals math. Pi asterisk radius asterisk radius. Hash printing the calculated area. Print, the area of the circle is area. 7. Program in Python to find the area of a rectangle. Hash taking input from the user. Length equals float. Input, enter the length of the rectangle. Width equals float. Input, enter the width of the rectangle. Hash calculating the area of the rectangle. Area equals length asterisk width. Hash printing the calculated area. Print, the area of the rectangle is area. 8. Program in Python to find the area of a triangle. Hash taking input from the user. Base equals float. Input, enter the base of the triangle. Height equals float. Input, enter the height of the triangle. Hash calculating the area of the triangle. Area equals base asterisk height, 2. Hash printing the calculated area. Print, the area of the triangle is area. 9. Program in Python to check if a given number is a perfect square or not. Import math. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int. Input, enter a number. Hash finding the square root of the number. Square underscore root equals int, math, sqrt, number. Hash checking if the square root is an integer or not. If square underscore root asterisk square underscore root equals number. Print, number, is a perfect square. Else. Print, number, is not a perfect square. 10. Here's an example of a simple calculator program in Python that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Hash taking input from the user. num1 equals float, input, enter first number. num2 equals float, input, enter second number. Operator equals input, enter an operator, plus, asterisk. Hash performing the operation based on the operator. If operator equals, plus. Result equals num1 plus num2. Print, the result of the addition is, result. Elif operator equals. Result equals num1 num2. Print, the result of the subtraction is, result. Elif operator equals. Result equals num1 asterisk num2. Print, the result of the multiplication is, result. Elif operator equals. Result equals num1, num2. Print, the result of the division is, result. Else. Print, invalid operator. 11. Program in Python to reverse a number. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter a number. Hash reversing the number. Reverse equals 0. While number greater than 0. Remainder equals number %10. Reverse equals, reverse asterisk 10, plus remainder. Number, equals 10. Hash printing the reversed number. Print, the reversed number is, reverse. 12. Program in Python to find the prime factors of a number. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter a number. Hash function to check if a number is prime or not. Def is underscore prime, n. If n less than equals 1. Return false. For I in range, 2, int, n asterisk 0.5, plus 1. If n% I equals 0. Return false. Return true. Hash printing the prime factors of the number. Print, the prime factors of, number, are. For I in range, 2, number plus 1. If number %I equals 0 and is underscore prime, I. Print, I. 13. Program in Python to get the ASCII value of a character. Hash taking input from the user. Char equals input, enter a character. Hash finding the ASCII value of the character. ASCII underscore value equals ord, char. Hash printing the ASCII value of the character. Print, the ASCII value of char is ASCII underscore value. 14. Program in Python to check if a number is even or odd. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter a number. Hash checking if the number is even or odd. If number %2 equals 0. Print, number, is an even number. Else. Print, number, is an odd number. 15. Program in Python to print the multiplication table of a given number. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter. 15. Program in Python to print the multiplication table of a given number. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter the number whose multiplication table you want to print. Hash printing the multiplication table of the number. Print, multiplication table of, number. For I in range, 1, 11. Print, number, asterisk, I, equals, number asterisk I. 16. Program in Python to check if a given year is a leap year or not. Hash taking input from the user. Year equals int, input, enter a year. Hash checking if the year is a leap year or not. If year %400 equals 0 or year %4 equals 0 and year %100 equals 0. Print, year, is a leap year. Else. Print, year, is not a leap year. 17. Program in Python to find the factors of a number. Hash taking input from the user. Number equals int, input, enter a number. Hash printing the factors of the number. Print, the factors of, number, are. For I in range, 1, number plus 1. If number %I equals 0. Print, I. 18. Program in Python to solve a quadratic equation. Import CMath. Hash taking input from the user. A equals float, input, enter coefficient A. B equals float, input, enter coefficient B. C equals float, input, enter coefficient C. Hash calculating the discriminant. Discriminant equals B asterisk 2, 4 asterisk AC. Hash calculating the roots of the equation. Root 1 equals B plus C math, SQRT, discriminant, 2 asterisk A. Root 2 equals B, C math, SQRT, discriminant, 2 asterisk A. Hash printing the roots of the equation. Print, the roots of the equation are, root 1, and, root 2. 19. Program in Python to find the largest of three numbers. Hash taking input from the user. Num1 equals int, input, enter first number. Num2 equals int, input, enter second number. Num3 equals int, input, enter third number. Hash finding the largest of the three numbers. If num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3. Largest equals num1. If num2 greater than num1 and num2 greater than num3. Largest equals num2. Else. Largest equals num3. Hash printing the largest of the three numbers. Print, the largest of num1, num2, and num3 is largest. 20. Program in Python to print a calendar for a given month and year. Import calendar. Hash taking input from the user. Year equals int, input, enter year. Month equals int, input, enter month. Hash printing the calendar for the given month and year. Print, calendar, month, year, month.